Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use LUTs effect in Filmora to make your video cinematic like this. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. As you can see, I have all the footages on my timeline and these are simple videos without any effect. Now to access the LUTs effect, go to the effect and under filters folder you will get LUTs effect like mono, lifestyle, cinematic, scenery, retro, festival, creative. All are well organized in the folder. Then camera folder you will get vlog, dlog, slog, clog, glog LUTs. To see the preview of the LUT, simply click on the LUT and you will see the preview over your footage. Recently, Filmora has launched some new awesome LUTs to convert your footage into cinematic. Let's see how to convert these footages to the cinematic. First select the footage, then go to the color and from preset select blockbuster. Blockbuster preset help you in converting your footage to the real color. Basically, it will enhance the color. When you scroll down, you will see that the values are changed. Now readjust the values according to the need or according to the footage. Once done, right click and from effect, copy the effect. Then right click on next footage and from effect select paste effect. Do the same on rest of the footages. Now you can see all the footages are enhanced. Now apply new Mad Maxim LUT effect on track 2 and place it over all the footages. Then adjust the protect skin tone and then adjust the LUT effect opacity. Now let me show you what the new LUT effect done to our footage. When I turn off the effect track, you can see the difference. Or if I turn off the preset, you can see the difference. Here is the list of new LUT effect by Filmora. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.